Hello guys, so I'm going to be teaching my dragon to eat big things. So here it is. So, what's this? Where's this? Oh, he's gonna throw up.
Lynn? Saan ka ba nang galing? Ilang beses na kitang tinatawagan.
Bradley,
Okay,
umuwi ka na.
how about let's start with small items like this.
Nag-aalala ako sa'yo. Nilinaw mo na ba lahat sa mga polis? Tutulungan kita.
Hindi na kailangan. Ayoko mapunteriya ulit ang asawa mo.
Do you like it?
Bradley, pwede ba? Naniniwala na akong malayo
Do you
na ang
not
loob
hate
ng
it?
asawa mo. Sobrang layo
Also,
ninyong
you
dalawa
do
sa
hate
isa't
it.
isa. Na hindi mo nga alam kung
You
gaano
love
kasama ang ugali ng asawa mo eh.
Ginawa ko na ng
love it.
paraan yun kaya hindi
Now
mo
let's
kailangan
take it
matakot pa.
up
ha?
a notch.
Hindi ka na ulit guguluhin
This
kita.
is a really big one.
Kaya ikaw rin, lubayan mo na rin ako.
He's really hungry right now, so.
Ginawa lang yun ni Kate kasi nagagalit siya eh. Pakiramdam niya natatalo siya sa'yo. Natural lang yun sa taong may talento. Ayaw niyang mapahiya. Pero sa totoo lang, mabuti na rin
Okay,
nalaman niya sa
calm
ganitong paraan.
down.
Pwede na
He
natin gawin
didn't
public
swallow
ngayon ang
it.
relasyon natin.
Really, like,
Bradley naman!
hmm.
Hindi mo pa rin ba matanggap?
Find one that.
Wala na namamagitan sa
I
ating
think he
dalawa.
can
Wala
swallow. Okay, so I found these stuffs. He loves eating knives. Look, he's so excited. Are you excited? Okay, he's really excited about it. Right. Okay, I can't throw this in his mouth, so
Sige na. Ano?
he's really excited. And this, he loves this. So
Charlie, magkain ka pa.
yeah, oh yeah. I'm not gonna throw this. Really good. How about an eyeball? Oh, he doesn't like it.
Charlie,
Come on.
hanggang ngayon ba galit ka pa rin sa amin ng papa mo? Charlie,
Okay, bye.
sorry ha. Sorry kung sinolusyonan ko yung problema sa mali.